Hello, and today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you a quirky 1982 International 785 XL tractor. This has a 4-cylinder diesel engine and is perfect for a small holding. I'll start this video by showing you the interior. Now, to make access that little bit easier, there are steps to help you climb aboard, as well as this railing. Access into this vehicle is actually not too bad. As you'd expect, it's lovely and airy when sat inside, and with visibility all round. Now, to start it up, you simply put your foot down on the clutch pedal and turn the ignition. And there it goes. It has everything you'd need, with indicators, lights, and even heating on top, which is quite a cool little system. And that means for anyone working on a cold winter's day, you can keep nice and warm whilst also carrying on with your job. The gear levers are down here, and it does have 2-wheel drive, low and high range. It's obviously fully road legal, and it can go reasonably fast too. However, it's more for farming than it is for road use. All these levers along the side here are to control the hydraulic front loader on the front. To turn the engine off, you simply pull this lever all the way up, and it should just stop. And there we go. It's a really nice, classic looking tractor, and, as I mentioned, it's perfect for a nice small farm. It's got hydraulic front loader, which works totally well. We really wanted to show you it just because it's something a little bit different, and again, we love reviewing anything that comes in to our hands. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.